Hello, and welcome to this Quicktips video on using data tables. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a data table from scratch by downloading a spreadsheet from a public workspace and uploading your modified version into a cloned workspace of your own. Start by going to app.terra.bio and then going to the Showcase section of the library. We'll be using the Terra Data Tables Quick Start workspace under the Featured Workspaces section. Click into the public version of the workspace and go to the Data tab. Now click on the Specimen Data Table and download all rows. This will download a TSV spreadsheet that you can open in whatever spreadsheet editing software you want. I'm going to go ahead and open it in Microsoft Excel. The most important constraint in Terra's data model is that the top left cell of any data table must have a very specific format. The top left cell determines the entity type of that data table. In this case, the entity type is a specimen. Let's modify this to make it a sample data table. We can also modify the contents of the table here directly. For example, we can add a column by simply inserting a column anywhere we like and giving the column a new name in the column header. Just make sure that the column header only contains alphanumeric symbols and no spaces. The cells in the column can have any type of metadata you like, including addresses to Google buckets. Click Save As and make sure you're saving it as a tab-delimited text file. Now let's go back to Terra and clone our own copy of this workspace. Make sure you give your workspace a unique name and choose a billing project to which you have access. Now that you're in your own clone of the workspace, proceed to the Data tab and then click the plus sign in the Tables section. Select the file you created and click Upload. You can now see your new table listed under Tables. Thank you for watching.